Abibifahodie is a good school, and it's really learning how to speak different languages and pay attention to school and learn more things about African history.
Edina usua wo ha.
I learned more mathematics, how to solve math mentally in our heads instead of counting on our fingers. And I had learned how to speak a different language here that's called Tree, and we learned our story basically talking about our ancestors.
Edina wo pese wo besua wo ha. Ebia ade a yambobo so a.
What I wanted to learn was like things that will help us with our focus and that will help us to do more things.
Like what? Like what?
Like what?
Like what? Like
to do more things like what?
Like
business, games, sports, I don't know what.
Yeah, sports.
Drama.
Sports.
So make that a full sentence.
Well, I wanted to learn more sports in Ghana, and like learn how to play soccer properly and all of the like traditional sports that Ghanaians play here.
Okay. What about capoeira? What do you think about capoeira?
Capoeira is good, but capoeira is good and it like helps you get your strength and it helps you work out, and like I learned different things, how to do flips and cartwheels, and I just learned how to like move my body the way my body places or the way I didn't think I could.
Like doing backflips this morning?
Well, I didn't do a backflip.
I thought you did.
No.
You didn't get up on the thing?
I did.
Oh, okay, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. All right, anything else you want to share about Abibifahodie Adesuabea?
Yes. Well, I wanted to share that it is a good school for me, and like it's taught me a lot of things about Africa and different places, and we learned like how big Africa was and different things, and it's like helping me learn, and like it's helping me learn how to speak their local language here, and so I know how to communicate with other people. I think another child should come to this school, so we will have more people to come and learn about our history.
And that's it.